Maybe you just fully joined the driving community and you want to soak in as much information as you can. Or maybe you've been driving for quite a while and you feel now is the perfect time to take an active interest in the insurance affair of your automobile. Whatever the case may be, one thing you are very likely to have came across by now is auto insurance premium. What are auto insurance premium? How are they calculated and how does this affect you and your driving? We will be discussing all that and more today. Hi there, I'm Stella, and I'll be giving you a basic rundown on everything about auto insurance premium and how they apply to you today on this FinCrew video series. Before I dive in, if you are not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification so you'll be the first one to know when we drop a new video in this channel. Cool? Now, let's begin. You might have heard about auto insurance premiums. Now, what are these premiums? When you take out an insurance policy, you are obligated to pay a premium. Essentially, a premium is what an insurer gets in return for a financial protection they offer. But how are these premiums calculated? The first thing you need to know is that there isn't a blanket price for premium. Each premium is unique to the individual driver. Also, several factors influence the cost of your premium to varying degrees. Here are some important ones you should know about. Factor 1. Coverage type. When you want to tie up a policy on your vehicle, you are offered a few options, ranging from the basic package to the most expensive one. The greater the coverage your policy offers, the higher you can expect your premium to be. Factor 2. The type and condition of the car you want to be insured. The condition make and the model of automobile you want to insure also comes into play here. For example, if you want to insure a brand new classic or exotic car, your premium may initially be reduced because this vehicle comes fit with state-of-the-art safety and security gear. However, your premium will likely go higher because owners of exotic vehicles have a track record of driving fast and loose. This increases the likelihood of accidents, and this is why your premium may increase significantly. You may be able to avoid being charged too much if you have a good driving record. Factor 3. How often you drive and where to. This is one important detail you have to fill out when taking your policy. If you live in a buzzing city and you use your car to travel long distance on occasion, your premium will be much higher than that of a person who lives in the suburb and only drive to and from work. Factor 4. Your personal data. In addition, what your personal data says about you in relation to various statistics or influence what you can expect to pay as your car insurance premium. For instance, the age bracket you fall in and the number of your years of experience driving is often used to determine your assured liability covering you. If you fall below 25 or above 65, your premiums are likely to be high. Even your marital status comes into this. It is believed that married people are likely to be more careful on the road than singles, and premiums often reflect this. Now that you know what auto insurance premiums are, you can even broadly estimate what you will have to pay the next time you take coverage. Now that you have a clearer picture of Malaysia car insurance, how about the next video? If you don't want to miss a thing from us, be sure to subscribe to our channel now. Turn on the notification button and I will see you next time.